Yay! Okay. They are annoyed, okay. Let's do some ocean fishing, I think. And sell it all. Hehe. And I literally say ocean fishing because then we can sell all the fish to Willy. Because we don't have a lot of backspace yet. That's gonna be my first big expense.
Spare no expense.
Mm-hmm. Yay! He's doing some morning fishing. I think his shop opens at 9 or 10. One of those. It's so small! Oh.
That's what she said. Wait.
Ah. It's a sunfish, that's not possible, it's just the ocean. And it's also raining, and sunfish don't come out when it rains. Yes. Eee. Ah. There he goes. Hey, Vortil. Of course I'm fishing. Yeah. Well,
Expect anything else?
what else? Well, it's also the best way to make money in the early game. Hey, Pixie, lurking. Okay, that's fine. Serial lurker. Whoa. Nerf fish. No, don't nerf fishing. I like fishing. And I'm starting a new this is like a new save file on my new desktop stream thing.
There's one thing very disappointing in Stardew Valley.
What?
You fish up a fish, yet you cannot use it as a weapon in the dungeon. I know, for something completely different, the fish slapping dance.
I can sell the fish. I can give them to Lewis, he doesn't like fish. Eee, no! No, no. Beginning is always the most annoying. Boop. It's so much easier later on. Oh. Bloop bloop.
Oh, just Rathian's death animation.
Oh.
Looks like a great.
Does it take 1.5 hours?
Yes, almost. The hands to the forehead. Oh no, that's Shakespearean.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. I actually wonder when Stardew Valley, the update, comes out, because I know they're almost ready with it, but there's no release date yet. Never fishing, indeed. There's all the teasers with Willy having a door extra. Oh, I'm so curious. Oh, almost perfect. Cool. Wow, it's a flounder. Silver star flounder. Woo! Oh. I want it. I'm greedy. No! No! Stop moving! There's a fish in it. I've never seen that before. Do this. It's a gift. Oh. Wrong buttons. Okay. So we need that one for a bundle and one of those. We don't need those. Well, because of course we're going for the community center. That's way more fun than Joja Mart. Ooh. Ooh, it's a star! Yeah! It also takes way longer before a fish will bite in the beginning, because you don't have bait and you don't have a... Ooh, I'm taking it. Oh, I'm taking it. Greedy. Eee. Okay, I can use those. Yay! Perfect. Oh, it doesn't show on the screen. Let's sell a little. I'm actually wondering... let's see. Oh wait, that's first fish. I ruined that one. Could have been perfect. Ooh. So I'm thinking about getting Tetris effects. And I'm wondering... because that's a pretty heavy game.
Yeah.
If I can stream it.
Not sure.
Yeah, I don't know. Ooh.
However, it will probably run better than on any other system I own.
That's... yeah.
So,
Well, more people were complaining that the Xbox One didn't really... couldn't... Ooh!
the Xbox One is laggy and... oh come on, it's bloody Tetris and it doesn't run on my computer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know why your PC has trouble with it.
There's so many particles going on.
Yeah, true.
That it basically just crashes every time.
Aha.
Even though I am a bit above the recommended standards, which is stupid.
Hey. All the fish.
But for some reason, the combination of all the particles and the stuff, transitions between certain scores and stuff will happen.
Mm-hmm.
And all of that takes a lot of CPU.
Yeah. It still sucks. Oops.
And there's no option to turn it off, which
Also sucks.
is stupid, yeah. On the other hand, the Grandmaster mode just works, so I'm happy with that.
Oh, yeah. What about the classic mode? Did you try it yet?
I'm not sure.
Oh, no. I need to make something. This. Make it blue. There. All the fish that are needed for the community center. And now just to cut down some trees, I guess. So much. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh. I can make a thing. Boop. Nice. So in the beginning I'm keeping these for the field snacks, because you get... that is really...
Fishing, by the way, you're fake.
Well, I can't help it that I'm really good at something that I like. In-game fishing. I don't know, it's just something I like.